Hello guys, you're welcome back to NAIJA News and Entertainment. Double Chris step out together holding hands and smiley face. Chris and Chris Ville happen to be the third runner-up of the just concluded TV reality show called Ultimate Love. In the photo Chris shared today on her Instagram page, she captioned it, "We all need that one man, that one woman who is ready to keep all the promises the exes broke." Chris Ada 2020, we are the storm. She shared pictures of them together. In the photos, Chris and Chrisville were seen wearing these endless smiles that would make someone to deeply fall in love without looking back. Honestly, Chris and Chrisville are seriously enjoying life. They have surely found love on each other's eyes and doing perfectly fine. Chris and Chrisville surely have proved that the organizers of the show achieved something via season 1 of the reality show. Reacting to the photo Chris and Chrisville shared, Jolly Fellow commented and said, "I too have doubts. It's not our fault. Who loves to be played and used? No one. Let's see after Corona saga fades off, because this thing is limiting every one of them." Okay guys, and what do you think about Double Chris relationship outside the love part? Share your comments in the section below. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.